Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.